muscle. You know what I'm saying? That's me. That's my nature. I'm going back to my true essence, my ancient ways. Before I learned these things from these people and shit. That ain't us. We wasn't robbing, stealing, killing, raping, murdering, deceiving, poisoning. We wasn't doing all that. We learned that shit. Remember who you are, man. Remember where you come from. Remember what we was about. Before all this shit right here came into play. Remember that shit. You are the key. Grab that shit. Unlock that shit. Everything you ever want, everything you ever need already lies within you. Do it with love. Do it with love. Love y'all, man.